This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making grilled Thai coconut chicken. The coconut milk gives the chicken a rich and silky mouthfeel, while it counters the hot chili peppers. We'll start with 3 cloves of garlic. One large chili or 4 small bird's eye chili. Use any type and any amount of chili you like, depending on how spicy you want the wings to be. Three slices of ginger, and 20 grams of coriander leaves. Put all these ingredients in a blender and add 200 ml of coconut milk, three tablespoons of soy sauce, two tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I have here 1 kilogram of chicken wings, and I've separated them into the drumlets and the flats. Pour the marinade over the chicken and give it a good massage. This is to ensure that you coat every part of the chicken. Put the wings in your fridge to marinate for a few hours or overnight. Before grilling the wings, remove them from the fridge for at least 30 minutes to an hour to bring it back up to room temperature. Remember to remove the excess marinade from the chicken. I'll bake the drumlets and the flats separately, as they are of different thickness and it takes a different amount of time to cook. For the flats, bake it in an air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. For the drumlets, we'll give it another 2 to 3 minutes of cooking time. That's 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 17 to 18 minutes till it's done. This is grilled Thai coconut chicken wings.